How to connect Bluetooth in your computer, Windows 10 and 11. So also I'm show you how Bluetooth features work in your computer in 10 or 11, Windows 10 and 11. So I will show you the perfect process. So let me start the video. So first come to your window, and here in setting, search, come to the settings. Okay, under the setting you can see here Bluetooth or device option. If you don't find this option here, you can directly search here like Bluetooth. Okay, and other device. Okay, just search for Bluetooth, then this option will become, then just open it. Okay, like this. Here we have the Bluetooth option, device. Go to the add device. Here we have USB, FNF and all. Okay, so you can see there is no any option under. You can see if I go to the add device, you can see here you need to choose the kind of device you want to add. So we need to add the device Bluetooth. So just select the Bluetooth, but sometime the error will come like couldn't connect. Here something to try. On this window device, turn on Bluetooth. If this device support Bluetooth but you can't turn it on, try to update your driver through Windows Update in setting. Okay, so if you have inbuilt Bluetooth in your computer or laptop, you need to on it, enable it. Okay, and if you don't have Bluetooth inbuilt your PC or your laptop, then you need to connect it from outside. Okay, so how we can connect? So guys, this is a small device called Bluetooth device. So you can buy from the online source or any other market, and you can connect it. Okay, this device you need to have. Okay, so what you can do, you need to connect this device on your PC, like in your USB port. You need to find the USB port on your PC, and this is the USB port. You need to connect this Bluetooth device in this port. Okay, once you connect it, now come to the setting again and just come back here, come to the Bluetooth, go to the add device, and here you need to try again. After this connected, then just go to the Bluetooth. Now you can see here the Bluetooth options. Okay, so whatever you connect, if you want to connect the Bluetooth speaker or any other device with Bluetooth in your window, then you will find here all the range Bluetooth names here, device name. Then you need to just select that name and you need to connect it. So that is the option. You can, if you don't have inbuilt Bluetooth, then you can connect from outside, and you can connect the Bluetooth to the other your Windows Bluetooth to the other device. Okay, and here you have the second option. Maybe your driver not supported. Okay, so here in search bar, come to the driver. Okay, go to the device manager. Okay, here you will see some drivers here. Okay, so here we need to find that Bluetooth driver. Okay guys, so here under the device manager you will see the Bluetooth driver. Okay, you can see the Bluetooth icon. Then you need to just expand it and right click on that driver and just go to the update driver. Okay, in my case there is no any Bluetooth driver because I don't have Bluetooth connected in our PC. Okay, so this is for if you have already Bluetooth in your PC, inbuilt Bluetooth in your PC or laptop, and you unable to connect the Bluetooth device, other device, then you can come here and device manager and find out that Bluetooth driver. You can see that Bluetooth icon here. Then just expand it, select that all driver, right click and update driver, and you can use both option. Okay, first use this option, automatically update from internet. If it is already installed, you can see this message that driver already installed, or you can see this computer driver options and just next. And if you have driver updated in your PC, then it will be updated. Okay, so that is a method you can use and to connect Bluetooth in your Windows or computer. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.